done creating a narrative to protect your image when people ask me what's going on between the two of us. I can tell you one thing, whatever happens in the dark comes to light, and I'm done. I'm done with allowing you to betray me. I'm done with allowing you to use me, and I'm done with covering up your shame. By the way, some of you have been asking me what foundation I've been using. Dolce & Gabbana. I got it the other day. Look how beautiful this bottle is. It's so stunning, and it is so amazing on my skin. But anyway, back to you. I'm also done with allowing you to behave like the victim in all of this. And I'm done creating a narrative to protect your image when people ask me what's going on between the two of us. Like, I'm just done.